Yeah, I know. I just can't have it too long.
It's raining. You turn the flashlight back on for us?
What do you think of
Waiting
that?
on command. That's pretty good. Right then and there. Ready.
Alright, can you turn it right back off? Come on, please.
You see it get dimmer. Like right when you say that.
Come on, please, turn it off.
So it tries
Turn
really
it off.
hard.
I know you can do it. No.
It gets like so dim. Like slowly. It's bad. That's cool.
When you turn it on a little bit too far and struggles turning it back on. Kill that light. Shut her off completely. Black. Gone. History kaput. Now. Please. Pretty please.
Ow.
Pretty please with sugar on it.
Kaput.
Anybody know Morse code by chance?
It was flickering.
No. But that was a great idea.
Yeah, so I better learn Morse code.
I never thought of Morse code.
Yeah, but you can see
Dot,
it
dot,
flickering
dot,
and stuff.
dash.
Yeah, no. Just trying to get
Turn
it
it off.
There it goes.
Down.